Ever wondered how to whip up some tantalizing tacos right in your own kitchen? Well, prepare to embark on a flavorful journey as we unravel the art of crafting homemade tacos from scratch. Opening our culinary adventure, we find ourselves in the heart of the taco, the filling. Begin by warming up your pan and drizzling in some olive oil. Toss in minced garlic and chopped onions, sautéing them till they attain a translucent hue. Now it's time to add in your protein. You could go with minced meat, or for the vegans out there, switch to beans. Continue cooking till it's brown. Next, we spice things up by adding cumin, chili powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together, integrating the spices evenly. Pour in some tomato sauce and let the filling simmer for 10 minutes. Moving on, we turn our attention to the taco shells. These crispy delights are what give tacos their signature crunch. If you're using pre-made taco shells, pop them into a preheated oven at 350° F for 5 minutes. For those who prefer soft tortillas, simply heat them in a pan over medium heat for a minute on each side.
Now comes the final, and arguably the most enjoyable part, assembling the tacos. Grab a taco shell, layer in some lettuce or cabbage, followed by a generous helping of the filling. Top it off with some diced tomatoes, salsa, and cheese. Remember, this is your taco, so feel free to customize your toppings to suit your taste buds.
And there it is, your delicious homemade taco, ready to be devoured. Relish the explosion of flavors as you sink your teeth into your creation. Don't forget, cooking is an art and every artist has their own style. So, give this recipe your own twist and share your unique creations in the comments below. Happy cooking!